Shark, the first true wave-powered boat. Powered by a reciprocating water displacement gravity engine. Consists of 3 floats on a crankshaft that freewheels. These floats go up and down. They're heavy. They weigh 150 pounds a piece, or whatever you want to make them weigh. It's got to be reserve buoyancy too, so they want them displace about 10 inches of water and have reserve buoyancy. The up and down motion causes rotational energy. It's going to be converted to generate electricity, turn a prop, or whatever. Lift up weights, be a winch, whatever. Generate power, stamp license plates. These prisoners. This is a near perfect machine. You get free power on the way up due to reserve buoyancy, power on the way down due to gravity. The weight of the boat can also act against the floats. The boat moves, the floats move. It'd be preferable to have a really long boat. The longer the boat, the more waves you can harvest. This thing can only harvest smaller waves because the wave's going to fit in this area here. A big wave, the boat will float and rise with the wave, which doesn't do any good. But if you had a longer boat, it wouldn't matter. You just generate power on every type of wave if the boats are at least 100 feet long. So this is the ultimate machine. I'll show you. This engine can be used on a river as wave power generation. Can be used with compressed air and gas by putting a bladder tank underneath the tanks as they float in water. The tanks must float in water. The floats float in the water, raising them up and down creates energy. Is that cool or what? The ultimate wave-powered machine, wave-powered boat. Wave will pass through it like that. You'll watch it pass through like a hula girl. I got that on video. You'll be seeing that shortly. Inventor Brian Hughes, patent pending.